Hello friends, welcome back. Our today's topic is mensuration, and mensuration is a very important topic as part of your competitive exams. Let it be bank, SSC, railway, UPSC, CSAT and placement trainings. In all the exams friends, you can find question from the mensuration. And mensuration talks about the 2D figure and the 3D figure mainly from where the questions will be asked. So today we are going to learn the 2D figure, and in that 2D figure also I will be discussing a rectangle and a square, and then friends, in the upcoming videos we will talk about all other figures like triangle, circles, and then 3D figures. We'll be calculating the volume and the other parts. So today we will be solving questions based on the rectangle and the square. So before solving the question based on rectangle and square, we need to know few things about rectangle and the square. Now friends, if you would have seen rectangle, then rectangle will be somewhat like this. So this is your rectangle friends. So these two sides and these two sides will be equal, and these two sides and these two sides will be equal. And friends, if we'll talk about a square, and if we'll talk about the square, then all four sides will be equal. All four sides will be equal. Then you can say A. So all sides are A here. And in case of rectangle friends, you can say if this is your length, then this will become your breadth. So the two sides in the rectangle will be equal. So these two sides are equal here and these two sides are equal here. So this becomes your length and this becomes your breadth. And in terms of a square, all four sides will be equal. Right friends? Now here we can calculate area, and then we can calculate perimeter, and then you can calculate diagonal friends. So all those three we will see how do we calculate, and then after that we will have a question here. Okay friends, so now let's see friends. So what will be the area? So friends, area of rectangle will be length into breadth. So area of rectangle will be length into breadth. And what will be the perimeter? So friends, the perimeter is nothing but length of the sides. So start from here. So B plus L plus B plus L. So B plus L plus B plus L. So 2B plus 2L. 2 you take common, so L plus B. So the perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Now, if we'll talk about the diagonal friends, then this will become your diagonal. Now friends, diagonal will be nothing but length square plus breadth square under square root. See friends, the reason is this will become your hypotenuse. And if we'll use the Pythagoras theorem, so this will become your Pythagoras theorem. So if you use the Pythagoras theorem, then hypotenuse square will be hypotenuse. If it will be hypotenuse, then length square plus breadth square. So hypotenuse will be equal to length square plus breadth square. So here it will become L square plus B square, and that will become our diagonal. So these three things are very important friends as part of rectangle. So this you have to keep in mind. If we talk about the square, then a square will be again length into breadth, but here both are same. So this will become A into A square. So area will be side square. If we'll talk about the perimeter friends, so perimeter will be nothing but the length of the sides. So A plus A. So A plus A plus A plus A is equals to 4A. And if we'll talk about the diagonal friends, then this will be nothing but diagonal. So friends, hypotenuse will become equal to length square A square plus breadth square. Now 2A square. That means if A will come out, then A, and here it will become square root of 2 itself. So a square root of 2A. So diagonal, length of the diagonal will be a square root of 2A. So this is what we have to keep in mind friends before solving the questions of rectangle and squares. Now you can easily solve question based on that. So let's see how can we solve the question. So starting with the question number 1 here. So friends, the length and the breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio of 9:5. Okay friends, so this will become your length and this will become your breadth. Now the length and the breadth of a rectangle are given in the ratio of 9:5. So friends, if any data is given in terms of ratio, and if you want to write down in terms of value, then just multiply with a variable. So the length will become 9x meter and the breadth will become 5x meter. So length 9x meter and breadth 5x meter. Okay friends, now see friends, this if any data is given in terms of ratio, and if you want to write it in terms of value, then what you do, you multiply with a variable. So this will become 9x and this will become 5x. So now we know length and we know breadth. The length and the breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio of 9:5. If the area is 720 meter square, so friends, area will be equal to length into breadth. Area is given 720, length is given 9x, and breadth is given 5x. Okay friends, now 9 will divide this by 80 times and 5 will divide this by 16 times. So friends, x square will become 16 and x will become 4. Now what they're asking, what's its perimeter? Find its perimeter. So friends, perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 into length is nothing but 9x and breadth is nothing but 5x. So 2 into nothing but 14x, and friends, 2 into 14, the value of x is nothing but 4. So this will become 8 into 14 will be 112 meter. So friends, the perimeter of the rectangle, that means the sum of sides, the sum of length of sides will be nothing but 112 meter, and option A will become the correct answer for the question number 1. And friends, based on squares and rectangle, we will be seeing more number of questions in the upcoming videos. So this was the basic of rectangle and squares. So thanks a lot for watching the video, friends.